Hello everyone. What if you need to do something before save your form in the database? How could you release it in your ComposeEntity application? You could use one of parameters of object generator annotation. It called maybe before save, and then you just define the function will call in when you want to save your form. It begins like address helper. This is name of our object, and then we will define function. Sorry, but if you need do some actions like download something, upload something, describe field if it's empty before you save your entity in the database, this function before save will be called. And I go to example on this site. We have a link before this video, like ComposeEntity and object generator CE. I call it C, object generator C, because C is, it sounds like this is integrate C. And go to this example and just copy, because I can't remember these parameters of function. I'm just copy it and put it to our address helper object and call it before save, and copy to here before save, and ComposeEntity will send these parameters like view model, save operation type. We just need to export it or import. My application. What we have operation type. When you save some date in ComposeEntity, it could be not only save, it could be like copy element to it means you create new element from this current element, delete, post if it is document, postpone when you postpone this moves from register, unmarked for deletion, mark for deletion, or edit. For you to know about, for you be aware about what operation doing, we could get this parameter save operation type, its first parameter, and check it. View model give us access to form date and database date, and user interface give us access to user interface components. If sort is safe, we have ref address entity because it just similar the same like we described the subject, because I doing science examples from this side and call this reference like over there on the side. Ref address entity, it's why our example work, but we need to change this user interface and view model signs according to our entity, like name of entity plus view model at the end and name of our entity plus user UI in the end. Then we want to, we don't need doing something with date, but we want update some field like city, because we don't have because we don't have the field described in this reference. We just, for example, only for example, we will update field city. Oh no, let's move it to another entity, utilities, because utilities has describe field, and we, if describe will be empty during saving, we add in this field text saved of this date. Okay. Just copy this function to ref utilities, and we have describe as you see, and we add object ref utilities helper and add our function BeforeSave, but we change this to this. Sorry. Ref utilities entity view model and ref utilities entity user interface, and we will set current date. We could pull it out from system current time millis, save, and 8 if it is empty. If view model get field describe dot is blank, a string, maybe two string is blank, then we set it like this text. Else another operation. Okay. BeforeSave equals ref utilities helper BeforeSave and we could delete it from here. And some message come to me. We delete it from ref address and 8 BeforeSave to utilities. I'm just rebuild my application. Let's check out how it works. 8 new utility by name gas daily, delivering address of our utility aist read, email address, I don't know, phone number 555-888-741, personal account, it's my account, I'm paying them 77777 and describe is empty and just save it. It didn't work. What wrong? But it is blank. Okay, let's trace it. Save operation is save. I think it's save. Save. It's blank. Update field. Field city, sorry. Field describe. It don't give you error if you define wrong field, but for you convenient, but sometimes it working strange. And just let's restart. Save. Oh, saved. And date. It works. But if we put here something, save, and it's stay like it was. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumb up and see you later.